What's up, homies? Welcome back to Luis Likes.
Yeah.
And if you haven't subscribed, here's Luis's page, YouTube page. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and like all our videos. Look at them. Okay, what we're doing today, Luis?
We are making this.
This? You need to know what it's on.
No.
So when I went to the grocery store, I went to the jello section and I saw this. It says Monster Slime. And I thought you might like it. You can eat it and also you can play with it.
Looks
So
like slime.
yeah, I know. Then there's two versions. There's a purple version and the green one. I got the green one. So let's open it up. See what it's all about. Oh! It exploded.
What was that?
Whoa! It's not green. It's white.
It's white.
And here's our measuring cup. So what you're gonna do, Luis? You're gonna get 3 scoops. Oh no! Oh shoot! Good thing Mom's not here. We're making a mess. So all right. So you grab 3 cups, 3 full cups of this, and you put it in here. Grab 3 cups, Luis. Wait. Not 2 full, like 3 full cups. You gotta make them full. Like this. Look, I know it's messy. So there's 1. Whoa! What the heck? Dang! You gotta be careful with this thing. Oh my! Oh my gosh. Okay, there's 2. And there's Gee, this thing jumps on you. And 3. Just a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Okay, there's 3 scoops. Come on, get up here, Luis. We'll clean up a little later. It's okay. This says pour 1 scoop of warm water into the bowl and mix it for 30 seconds. Okay, I'll be back here. Add the water and I'll mix it. Okay, so there. Whoa, look at it. It turns green instantly. Wow. So cool.
It turns green.
And I think we're gonna need more water. But hold on.
No.
Whoa, look at it. Look at it, homies.
Oh. Okay, this is getting a mess now.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna end up being jello at the end.
Yeah. Watch at nighttime when
Joe.
Watch at nighttime when
Rosie.
I would be really itchy.
Look what we're doing, Wajie. It's Rose right here, joining in the fun. Okay, baby. We're making jello. We're gonna play with jello. Uh-oh. Ooh, looks tasty. Whoa, hold on. We gotta just grab a little more water, okay? Just a little more.
Okay.
It has to be warm water.
It says warm water.
Yeah, warm. Look at it. Looks like freaking melted ice cream now. Okay, let's touch it. Oh, that's cold. Put some hot water, Luis.
Wow.
Just a little bit of hot water, okay?
Yeah, can you dump that out?
Oh my gosh. Oh, you want to put it on? Okay, put just a little bit. That's voila, baby. More. Over here. More. Okay, that's it. Let's put it over here. Let's not mix it with the
Powder.
Yeah. Wow, look at it. Now it's turning to slime.
That looks like the dinosaur.
Yeah, the dinosaur slime we did.
Yeah.
You ready to play with this, Luis?
Yeah.
And eat it? Okay, so
I don't
we use the 3 cups and it's almost empty. Look at that. So if you So this can is only for 2 batches, I think.
Okay.
2 batches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so it's set to mix it for 30 seconds. So it's 30 seconds. We added warm water and more warm water. So it's ready to play, I guess. Oh, it is. Look at it. It is slime. Somebody told me it wasn't slime. Guess who's wrong? Oh. Yes. Touch it.
It feels
Is
like.
it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
It's
it kind of.
sticky.
Yeah, it is. Cool. And do you dare taste it?
No.
It says it's edible. Edible slime. I'm gonna try it.
Can you get a napkin for me?
Yeah, hold on. Yes, your napkin? Okay. Come on, let's try it.
Okay.
You try a bit and I'll try a bit. Oh, whoa. Cool. Wow. Look at it.
What?
And this is better than the slime that
This is better.
from the stores. Okay, this is real slime now.
This is better than the dinosaur
Yeah, it
one.
is. Okay, play with it, Luis.
Okay.
Here. I'm
What
gonna grab
if
a little
it
bit.
sticks to me? Does it taste like good? No, it doesn't taste like.
Tastes like a sweet tart, a melted sweet tart. You know what a sweet tart is? Those pills, those candy pills. Whoa! Oh shoot! Got my pants. Here, play it.
No, I'm
Touch
not
it.
gonna play this one.
Touch you. Look at it.
It's gonna be
Wow.
sticky. Like, look.
Yeah.
It's sticking to the sugar.
Rosie, wanna play with it? Rosie, come play with it. Wanna touch it? Ooh, what is this? What is it, mamas? Touch it, baby.
Wait, I got a little bit.
Touch it. It's not very tasty. But look at it, wow. So cool.
It tastes like sugar.
Yeah, it does. Ah. Put your hand there, Luis. Come on.
Okay.
What can we do with slime?
It's sticky.
We made a ball.
Wow. And when you go like that, it goes back. No.
Just lick it off.
You know.
Just lick it off.
It tastes like complete sugar.
Yeah, it does taste like powdered sugar. Ah! Ah! Covering slime. Wow, look at it. Look at it drip down. Put your hands in there. Okay.
What if you put a napkin in there?
No. Wow.
I'm gonna wash my hands over there.
Look at that. Luis. Okay, I'm gonna taste it one more time. Mmm.
It tastes calm.
Okay, what do you rate this, Louise?
Um,
And do you like this slime or no?
a 0 out of 0.
What? You hate it?
Yeah, because it tastes like sugar.
Well, it's better. A regular slime you can't eat. This is edible slime. I give it a 10 because it's really slimy. It's not like.
I like the normal slimes.
Oh, okay.
Like the egg slime.
You don't like this one? I like it. Look
I
at
like the egg
it. You can just
slime.
eat it.
Ew.
Oh, spread, Mom. Spread, Mom. Tell her to come here. I'll be eating this, okay? See what she says.
I need you.
What? What are you doing? You can't eat slime.
But it looks so tasty.
Mom.
Mm.
Daddy eating slime, Rose.
Ah, you want some? You want some?
Oh.
Just kidding. It's edible slime. Okay, homies. Thanks for staying on.
Sing Uzi with us again. Slime.
Thank you for watching us play this. And I recommend go to a store, buy it. It's pretty cool. You can eat it if you get bored. Okay, thank you again for watching. Bye. Stay sticky.